Hi, short video to talk to you about this white Bose SoundDock. So, the listing includes the SoundDock and genuine Bose power supply. This is for the older type iPod Touch, iPhone. I'll show it working. I'll plug it in. So, iPod not included.
I need somebody help, not just anybody help, you know. Yesterday, all my...
So it's fully working. No remote controlled included, but you can just use your iPod Touch or iPhone. It does have some used marks around the edge, but it's in good working order. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.